Welcome to Tantric Life, and today's speaker card is about recognizing our strengths and understanding how to use them to the fullest. All right, so we have three stacks as usual, and we have crystals. I placed these crystals. For stack number one, it's malachite. Two is red jasper. Yeah, and the third one is blue agate. All right, so pick the stack that you resonate to or the crystals that you resonate to, and let's begin the reading. And if you need more time, please go ahead and pause while I start the reading. So let's go to stack number one. So stack number one, uh, you are people uh, who really need some time to be with yourself. Like whenever things uh, don't work out, or when you are confused and you need clarity on a certain situation, the first thing you would do is, spend some time by yourself, and that actually gives you a lot of clarity. And uh, my people who picked up stack number one, you're an extremely confident person, an extremely happy person, happy-go-lucky people, very charming. People love to spend time with you. You have this innate sense of charm and confidence. Uh, and extremely smart too, extremely street smart, knowing fully well how to move around with people, how to get work done, street smart. Yeah. And however, at the same time, you need some time with yourself. You need to spend time with yourself to figure out what exactly is happening when in question, or when you feel you need some time to, you know uh, to take a decision on anything. Then you will have to, or you have a situation and you do not know how to deal with it, then you are the best person whom you would like to meet and discuss with, right? So you have that capability to reflect and figure out what exactly you need to do. And you also are a person who has a lot of patience. You can wait it out before you take a decision, and you can you'll wait, you'll actually leave a lot of strings. You'll let people do whatever they want for a very long period of time until you cut the cord. So you're basically a very wise and patient person too. And after all of this, once you've taken a decision, you will not think twice. You just go ahead and cut the cords, and it'll be totally unemotional. Once the decision is made after a lot of reflection, you will actually uh, become unemotional. It's over, right? And you're done with, and you're okay to move on. So people like this, you always need to be happy. You always, if you are around people and they don't make you feel good about yourself, I think you should immediately spend some time by yourself, and you will get your positive energy back. I think you are the most powerful person for yourself. Well, all of us do, but then for you, it's important that you spend time by yourself for you to get your the essence, feel the essence. So yeah, so that's what I have for you, and these are your strengths. Sometimes we are not aware how confident we are, how confident we come across to people, or how street smart we are. So most of us do not understand our real strengths. So I hope this was useful. Thank you so much, and let's move on to people who picked up stack number two. Here we go, the reading for people who picked up stack number two. My stack number two people, you are extremely spiritual. Who I see people who have gone through so much, right? It's an extremely spiritual group here, and you've gone through a lot of transformation, you've gone through a lot of healing already, and a lot of inner child healing, or a person who need to look into your inner child issues. All right. um, but then you've come out pretty successful. So I see the people who picked up this pile very you got, in spite of whatever you've gone through, in spite of all the rocking transformations that you've gone through, you've really come out very well. Okay, so you are a person, you are people who can withstand a lot of a lot of um, not torture, but a lot of it's like pardon me. Before you become a diamond, you go through all of it. Like before, the gold goes through a lot of like heat, and you know being beaten, and whatever, it goes through so much of struggle, right? And I think this pack is like them, where you've gone through so much of struggle, and in spite of that, you are going strong. You're such wise people, and you've gone through so much of struggle only to become wise, only to become. See, there are a lot of people who can become very hard and very, they can be filled with contempt and a lot of bitterness when they go through all of this. But I see this pack to be a very spiritual pack, which has become very wise, and even ready to share the knowledge and wisdom with others, right? And the this pack, you know you guys are extremely great manifestors, and I am not joking. All right. You guys are amazing with children, great manifestors. So that also means you have to think positively, because if you think negatively, then you will manifest that, right? One sentence of negativity, you probably will manifest that. So it's very important for you to use your powers wisely. So you always need to think positive, and visualize positive, throw that expectations in a very positive sense, feel positive, for you to manifest these positive life changes. And you're extremely good with children. You could be even counselors, you could be teachers, you could be people who are dealing with uh, differently abled children. So so that's your strength. I think this strength is something people, definitely you guys are now going to recognize. I think you need to hear this. In spite of whatever you've gone through, you have become strong, and what doesn't kill you makes you strong. And I think that is applicable to this, the people who picked up this stack. My people who picked up this stack, you are extremely strong, very spiritual, extremely wise, very good with children, amazing manifestors. These are your strengths, and it's time you recognize that. And every time you feel low, or you have any kind of transformation coming up, some kind of transition you experience, it's time for you to actually spend time with water, or just have a good shower, or go by the beach, any kind of water body that will actually help you, cleanse your soul, cleanse all the negativity that you are going through, and then you're back to your own zone of manifesting. Yeah. And extremely great influences for children. I hope this was useful. Thank you so much. Meet you soon. Let's go to stack number 3. So, for my people who picked up stack number 3, um, you are abundance. Your presence is abundance. I think it's high time you realize that. You share with people your positivity. You are creative people. You can create, and you create when you move. All right, so it could be dance, it could be travel, it could be just about uh, yoga. It could be, you need movement, you guys. You need to move for you to experience positivity. and you're not people who will give up things so soon. When you believe in faith, when you have faith, when you believe in something, you go all out. You never back down after that once you take a decision. And for you, movement is extremely important. You love travel. You travel helps you click, and you always need to keep moving, and you can bring about a lot of change. You guys can bring about a lot of change just with your presence, just with spreading positivity, just with you good connectors, you're amazing connectors. You can connect with people, you can connect with children, you can help mediate. You're amazing mediators. You can mediate between parties, between people. You have so much abundance around, and your willpower is amazing. Once you decide what is it that you want, and once you set your mind to it, well, nobody can really stop you. I mean, because you've already won it, because in your mind you've already got it. And once you decide this is what you want, forget about others. Nobody can stop you whatsoever, right? So I see this is a very powerful group of people, but then uh, you should never back down, because once you see, as much as you decide, hey, when you want it, and you always go all out and go for it and get it, at the same time, if you decide, no, this is not for me, then you would as well stop pursuing it, right? I mean, that's also something to note down, right? Strengths are something that you really need to know how to use it, how to put it to use. So you guys are abundance, you are connectors, you are very creative people who knows, who really know what you want, and use your willpower. But then it's important for you not to back down and keep moving your body to activate it. Only if you keep moving your body, like even a walk, a stroll in your garden, in a park or anything, you just need to keep moving. It could even be dance, it could be just yoga, it could be just stretching. These movements help you become creative, please take it as it resonates, or you might have something else in your mind, or practice something else which I might be missing out here. So please share them in the comments below, right? So we all can learn out of it. So I hope this gave you an idea on what your strengths are and how to put it to use. Thank you so much for being here, and meet you all soon. Take care. Love you. Bye bye.